Hello students, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss regarding C4 pathway of dark reaction which occurs in certain type of the plants, mainly which are found in dry tropical region. Example, maize, sugar cane, sorghum, etc. These plants are found in high temperature. In dry tropical regions, they mainly grow. This pathway, C4 pathway, is also called as Hatch and Slack pathway. Because Hatch and Slacks were two scientists who discovered this pathway in these plants. During last two sessions, we have already discussed regarding C3 pathway, that is also called as Calvin cycle. And we have also discussed regarding photorespiration in detail. And during those sessions, we have already seen that in C3 plant, biosynthesis of carbohydrates, that is the dark reaction or Calvin cycle, occurs in stroma of chloroplast, which are found in mesophyll cells. These are the mesophyll cells. See the anatomy of leaf of C3 plant here in mesophyll cells. And the first enzyme, that is Rubisco, which participates in first reaction, that is carboxylation, aiding of fixing of carbon dioxide with 5 carbon compound ribulose 1,5 biphosphate. This enzyme catalyzes the fixation of carbon dioxide with 5 carbon compound ribulose 1,5 biphosphate in stroma of chloroplasts of mesophyll cells here. As we have already discussed that this enzyme is very much unstable so far as change of temperature is concerned. When the temperature becomes high, its nature gets changed. Instead of carboxylation, it starts doing activities for oxygenation. By this way, photorespiration takes place due to the changed activities of the Rubisco enzyme. And we know the photorespiration is a wasteful biochemical process during which the synthesis of carbohydrate gets retarded. No carbohydrate is synthesized during photorespiration due to change activity of the Rubisco. So the plants, photosynthetic plants which are found in dry tropical regions, the nature has provided certain adaptation so that the plants can withstand, can tolerate the high temperatures and the biosynthesis of carbohydrates does not get affected. Here, by the anatomy of leaf of C4 plant, we will understand what type of the specialty, what type of the adaptation are found in the leaves of C4 plants. You see these two diagrams. This is the anatomy of leaf of C3 plant. Here, these are the mesophyll cells and this is vascular bundle. A structure is normal, there is no specialty. Biosynthesis of carbohydrate takes place in mesophyll cells in which the chloroplasts are found. But see here, the anatomy of leaf of C4 plant. There is some specialty, there is some adaptation. Around the vascular bundle, a circular layer is found of thick cells. These thick cells having thick walls are called as bundle sheath cells. Bundle sheath cells. And this circular layer around the vascular bundle of leaf of C4 plants is a special structure, an adaptation, so that the dark reaction, particularly the biosynthesis of carbohydrate, does not get affected due to high temperature. And these cells are the site for biosynthesis of carbohydrate. Note the mesophyll cells. These are the mesophyll cells, but the actual biosynthesis of carbohydrate takes place in these bundle sheaths. In this bundle sheath. And this circular, due to presence of this special circular layers of the bundle sheath, the anatomy of leaf of C4 plants is called as Cranch anatomy. Cranch means wreath, and wreath means circular layer. The bundle sheath cells are arranged in circular manner around the vascular bundle, and these special cells are the actual site of synthesis of carbohydrate. As they are found in deeper layer of the mesophyll cells, so the high temperature does not reach there. By this way, in these cells, in these bundle sheath cells, the nature of Rubisco enzymes particularly is protected from the high temperature. So Calvin cycle takes place in normal way. As the Rubisco nature is protected from the high temperature, so the Rubisco enzyme catalyzed only the carboxylation, fixing of the carbon dioxide actually takes place here. The Rubisco helps the carboxylation of carbon dioxide. That means the Rubisco catalyzes the fixations of the carbon dioxide with ribulose 1,5 biphosphate. In bundle sheath cells, Campbell cycle takes place. Synthesis of carbohydrate takes place in bundle sheath cell. So this is the speciality, this is the adaptation which is found in leaves of C4 plants. Calvin cycle is common both in the leaves of C3 plant as well as in C4 plants. Now we will discuss what differences take place during the photosynthesis in the leaves of C4 plants. Just you see this diagram. This is a single mesophyll cell. Suppose we have drawn separately this cell here, and this is the adjacent bundle sheath cell. And by this diagram, we will understand the actual biochemical reactions to fix the carbon dioxide to synthesize the carbohydrate in Calvin cycle. Here, in the case of leaf of C4 plants, in mesophyll cells, firstly carbon dioxide reaches in all the mesophyll cells, which are near to the bundle sheath cell. By the process of diffusion, firstly the carbon dioxide is taken into the air spaces found in mesophyll cells through stomata. After that process of diffusion, the carbon dioxide is transported in all the mesophyll cells. And in mesophyll cells, this carbon dioxide is fixed in chloroplasts, which are found in mesophyll cells. But the difference is that instead of 5 carbon compound, ribulose 1,5 biphosphate, here the firstly in chloroplast of the mesophyll cells, carbon dioxide is received by or accepted by a 3 carbon compound, that is the phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate. And here an enzyme which participate in fixation of carbon dioxide with phosphoenol pyruvate. That enzyme is phosphoenol carboxylase. Phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Carboxylase is the enzyme which catalyzes the fixation of carbon dioxide with phosphoenol pyruvate. And after the fixation of carbon dioxide with phosphoenol pyruvate, a 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid, is formed. The first compound here is 4 carbon compound. First product is 4 carbon compound, so this pathway is called as C4 pathway. But in the case of Calvin cycle, the first compound is 3 carbon compound, that is 3-phosphoglyceric acid or glycerate. That is the first product of Calvin cycle. Here Calvin cycle will occur in bundle sheath cell, not in mesophyll cells. In mesophyll cell, the first product is 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. So this pathway, because this is the part of the complete pathway for the synthesis, for the biosynthesis of carbohydrate. So this is one of the integral part of complete biosynthesis of carbohydrate. So in C4 plant, the first product is considered as 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. So this pathway is called as C4 pathway. And after that, this 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acids converts into again 4 carbon compound, that is the malic acid, that is malic acid. And malic acid is pumped into the bundle sheath cell with the expenditure of 1 ATP. Here the ATP converts into ADP and release energy. That energy is utilized in the pumping of 4 carbon compound malic acid into the bundle sheath cell. Now in bundle sheath cell, the Calvin cycle starts. Just I told you, instead of mesophyll cells, in the case of C4 pathway, the site of the Calvin cycle is the bundle sheath cells, which are found in deeper layer of the mesophyll cells to protect the nature of the rubisco, particularly so that the photorespiration does not take place. To get right the problem of photorespiration, this is the specialty, this is the adaptations which are found in the C4 plants, which are mainly found in dry tropical region where the temperature is normally high. So by this way, the Calvin cycle is protected from the change, from the disaster of the adverse effect of high temperature. By this way here, the photorespiration does not take place, and ultimately after completion of Calvin cycle in the bundle sheath cell, the biosynthesis of carbohydrate takes place. So by this specialty, by this adaptation in C4 plants, the biosynthesis of carbohydrates is very much efficient, and good amount of the biomass is produced in C4 plant in respect of C3 plant, because sometimes C3 plant has to withstand high temperature also. When there is high temperature, the production of carbohydrate gets affected in C3 plant. But due to this specialty, due to the adaptation of bundle sheath cells, the biosynthesis of carbohydrate in C4 plants is very much efficient in respect of C3 plant. And by this lecture, I am going to conclude this session. You students continue with us. Watch the videos which are available on Institute channel. Subscribe the Institute's YouTube channel. Get benefited as well as help the Institute in promotion of YouTube channel. Thank you very much.